Plug Power update. Wow, look at this now. Why has this gone up today? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about my price prediction, where I see it going, short term, long term. How many shares I own? What am I doing? Why has it gone up today? The overall markets. We're going to answer all those questions for you. It's been a very, very exciting morning this morning. One of my best ever days on my portfolio across the whole board. Let's discuss it. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell, and you'll be notified when I go live about breaking news. Tap the like button as well, and that will share out this great news. Okay, let me get ready. I'm excited. Why is Plug Power going up? Well, it's quite simple, really. I know and I believe 100% that hydrogen has a place in the future. Not for EVs. There's not going to be hydrogen cars going around. Of course, there are some, but I don't think that's where it's at. I think it's for industry. I think it's for trains and much bigger systems like powering cities and stuff like that. Plug Power is the leader in the hydrogen sector. I believe in that. I believe in renewables. I know what the government are doing. They're backing solar. They're backing hydrogen. However, as an investor, I'm looking for a company that is overpriced. That is oversold. I'm looking for a company that has a good balance sheet, has a good potential, has a good growth, a dividend wherever possible, manages its capital, good management, who the CEO is, what they have to say, and so on and so forth. And I have to say, on the last earnings, and we will cover the next earnings for Plug, it wasn't that great. I thought the CEO was drunk, actually. I thought he was sitting there merrily drinking himself into oblivion. Many other people did as well. Not quite sure what that was all about, but anyway, we're telling you the truth here. We're not promoting or trying to get you to watch the video. I'm just telling you the truth as it is. However, Plug, in the last few days, in the last few weeks, got dramatically oversold. It all started going down the toilet when we heard that the solar industry and the renewable industry was being sold off. Solar Edge caused a lot of that. And then we had Scotiabank downgrade it, and then they downgraded Enphase Energy, and Enphase Energy went undervalued 35%. That's another video. Go and check that above my head, and you can go and check out the Enphase video. And the NEE video, Next Era Energy, same thing. That went down. So what did I do? I kept buying on the way down, kept buying, and then increasing my buys on the way down to get as much of it as I could. So a couple of days ago, I haven't got a huge amount of Plug. I just haven't got enough money. Whether I've got a lot of money, whether I've got a bit of money, my valuations analysis is still done. I'm just not as rich as you might be, or richer than somebody else. But for me, it's a decent position. It's nowhere near my biggest position, like Coca-Cola, like 18,000 and other things like that. But it's still a decent position. Now, I started buying it, and I was down a couple of days ago. I had like $1,000 of it, and then I doubled again. So I doubled and sort of half again. So I was down at one point a few days ago, down about 40%. Then I was down 20%. And now I'm down 10% because of the 10% growth today. Kept buying. I'm not buying it now. I don't need to, because I know that even though I'm down 11%, I've got 398 shares, which is a lot to somebody and not much to somebody else. That is all the shares I need to make all the money more than that I deserve. Because 5-10 years from now, Plug Power could be a $60 stock. It's a 10x stock from here. So, my $2,000 could turn to 25 grand, and that'd be great, right? How cool would that be? So, it's more than I deserve to make. So I am very happy to buy this. Own this. I don't need to sell it now. I don't have that much at risk. It's not going to affect my portfolio too much. But Plug Power was oversold dramatically. I wouldn't be surprised if there's profit taking. We know Wall Street is absolutely useless completely useless when it comes to valuing stocks for the future. It has no idea what to do with Tesla. It has no idea what to do with the solar industry. It has no idea what to do with Plug Power. The people that work at Wall Street, we've seen The Big Short, we've seen The Wolf of Wall Street, we've seen all the information from Wall Street and many other things. The way they will buy and sell dump stock on a heartbeat. without any care of what's coming up in the future. It's how can I make money today? That's not what I do. I'm looking to find the stocks that will make money in the future so I can sit back and relax and be so far up. I want to be up 200%, 300% on my stocks and then reinvest dividends and not care if we get 10% dropped in a day. So that's what I'm looking for. And Plug Power is one of those. Is it the only green stock? No. Is it the best green stock? No. But it's certainly worth owning in my opinion. And I think at this price, it's still a good buy. I did prefer it when I doubled it up a couple of days ago, but nevertheless, it's a good stock for the future. I like it. What do you think? Are you into Plug Power? I've shared with you my position. I've shared with you what I think the growth is going to be, a 10x on this in the years to come, which is more money than I need or deserve. So what do you think? Click above my head to take part in my X poll and other things that you might find interesting. We will cover the earnings, of course. And over here, more videos in the series and more things I think you will find interesting. That's it from me. So go and check those videos out. And as always, have a lovely day. Take care of yourselves and each other.